Deleted a file you really needed? Two popular tools claim they can bring it back from the dead, but which one actually delivers? Welcome to How to Literally, where we keep things smart, simple, and scam-free. First up, we have Disk Drill. It's known for a clean interface, fast scans, and the ability to recover data from external drives, memory cards, and even crashed partitions. The free version gives you 500 MB of recovery on Windows, which is great if you just need to rescue a few files. Then there's Wondershare Recoverit. It goes a bit deeper with video repair, advanced previews, and supports over 1,000 file formats. It's especially handy for creatives recovering photo or video projects, but it can feel slower during deep scans and uses more system resources. Both offer reliable recovery, but Disk Drill is faster and simpler for everyday users, while Recoverit leans more pro-level, especially if you're dealing with large or damaged files. So which is best? If you want quick, simple recovery with a smooth interface, Disk Drill takes the win. But for advanced media repair and broader format support, Recoverit is worth the extra load. Thank you for watching How to Literally, and see you in the next one.